Leaperkim Veteran Patton. You can go anywhere you want to go on the Leaperkim Veteran Patton, an electric unicycle that is as powerful as a beast. Its 3,000-watt motor allows it to effortlessly climb slopes and achieve speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. It can go up to 70 kilometers on a single charge, because to its huge 2,220 watt-hour battery. It can handle any terrain because to its sturdy and long-lasting chassis built of aircraft-grade aluminum. You may customize the ride's smoothness and comfort with the hydraulic suspension system. Its versatile 16-inch tire makes it suitable for both urban and off-road terrains. You may do tricks and soar over obstacles with its built-in jumping pads. Its futuristic style is sure to get you noticed no matter where you travel. Leaperkim Veteran Patton electric unicycles are more than simply a mode of transportation. They're ways of life. This one-wheel all-terrain ride will push you to your limits and reveal your hidden abilities. Scania S 730 Minitruck. For the little trucker in your life, there's no better toy than the Scania S 730 Minitruck. One of the world's most powerful and innovative trucks, the Scania S 730, is downsized into this smaller variant. Scaled Rigs, an Irish company licensed by Scania, is responsible for its design and construction. A single charge of its 24-volt electric battery allows it to operate for 4.5 hours. It has the same amount of torque as a mobility scooter and can go up to 10 kilometers per h. A lifelike dashboard, wheel, horn, lights, and indicators are all part of it. You have complete creative control over the color and sticker options. The fact that it can pull tankers and compact trailers adds to the fun factor. For young truck drivers, the Scania S 730 Minitruck represents more than simply playtime. This premium item is sure to ignite their curiosity and love for trucks. Any little boy or girl who has an obsession with trucks will adore this. This Minitruck is a Scania S 730. ZUUM Shoes. The most hip method to whiz around town is in ZUUM Shoes. These electric skates are self-balancing and will make quick work of any surface. On top of being easy to use, they're lightweight and portable. Putting them on is as simple as pressing a button. The exhilaration of flying is yours to experience as you navigate with the soles of your feet. ZUUM Shoes are entertaining and good for the environment. You won't have to fret over gas or pollutants because they are electric. For shorter journeys, commuting, or simply discovering new locations, they are ideal. Stylish and fully adjustable, ZUUM Shoes are a must-have. Various colors and stickers are available for your choice, so you may express yourself through them. Mini trailers and tankers can also be attached for added cargo capacity. The ZUUM Shoe is the way people will get around in the future. The best electric skates ever. They'll give you the sensation of weightlessness. Your shoes are ZUUM. Car chain. An electric vehicle with two wheels and the ability to balance itself, similar to a hoverboard, is called the car chain. The original hoverboard and several more groundbreaking inventions were created by Shane Chen. With its roomy cabin that's accessible from both the front and rear, the car chain can accommodate a maximum of 5 passengers. It accelerates and steers without the use of pedals or a steering wheel by means of two-wheel differential speed control. Regenerative shocks, which turn road imperfections into energy, can recharge its powerful battery. It resembles a massive hovercraft on wheels due to its aerodynamic and smooth design. A symbol of hope for the future, the car chain goes beyond being a mere vehicle. This concept is truly groundbreaking, as it questions the traditional idea of movement centered around 4 wheels. Feel like you're soaring through the air on this incredible self-balancing marvel. There is a car named Shane. Daymak Spiritus prototype. Stylish, eco-friendly, and 3 wheels strong. That's the Daymak Spiritus prototype, a futuristic electric vehicle. Impressive performance and features complement its elegant and aerodynamic style, which is sure to get people talking. At 1.8 seconds, the Spiritus can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour, making it the fastest 3-wheeler in the world. Additional features include wireless battery charging via on-data technology and a range of up to 300 miles per charge. Spiritus is more than meets the eye. It's a smart device that can mine cryptocurrencies and handle transactions using the Nebula suite. There has never been an automobile before the Spiritus that could generate income for its owner at all times, even while sitting idle or charging. Beyond its practical use, the Spiritus represents hope for the future. To put it simply, it is the pinnacle of environmentally conscious innovation. Aerovelo's ITA. One of the most impressive examples of human-powered engineering is the aerodynamic and speedy Aerovelo ITA, a bike, yes, but also a rocket, a lightning rod, and the stuff of efficiency and speed fantasies that is ITA. Years of hard work and creativity went into making ITA, which is proof that people can accomplish incredible things when they put their minds and bodies to it. There has never been a bike or other human-powered vehicle faster than ITA. The Greek letter ITA, meaning efficiency, lies at the heart of Aerovelo's mission. In 2015, the ITA motorcycle achieved a staggering 144.17 kilometers per hour, the fourth time the record had been broken. The ITA is a bike that shakes things up, makes people ponder, and pushes the boundaries of what we know about physiology and physics. One of Aerovelo's crowning achievements is the ETA, the fastest bike in the world. Turtle Rover. A device like the Turtle Rover opens up a whole new world of exploration. It is a four-wheeled device that can move across a variety of surfaces, including snow and sand, and provide live footage to your mobile device. You have the option to program it to carry out chores on its own or operate it remotely. You may personalize it even further by adding modules like a gripper, a camera, a robotic arm, or a laser pointer. The Turtle Rover is an instrument for exploration, discovery, and learning. It is not merely a plaything. Turtle Rover is an ideal partner for any outdoor activity, whether you're looking to explore, survey your property, or simply have fun. Explore the world in a whole new light with Turtle Rover and let your imagination run wild. A new age of discovery has begun with the launch of Turtle Rover, which is more than just a device. Concept 1865. Concept 1865 is an experimental design that uses contemporary materials and technologies to rethink the velocipede, the first pedal-powered bicycle. The era of creativity and invention that gave rise to the bicycle, and BASF, the chemical firm that worked with Ding 3000 Design Studio to construct the prototype, are both honored by this memorial. The retro-styled e-bike known as Concept 1865 is more than meets the eye. It is an experimental showcase for 24 distinct plastics from BASF's product line. Infinergy tires, bearingless all-plastic pedals, and an electric motor concealed in the back wheel are just a few examples of how Concept 1865 showcases the revolutionary power of modern plastics in the realm of electromobility. In addition to presenting new opportunities for product development with BASF, Concept 1865 encourages a re-evaluation of materials. Intersecting the two eras, it connects the 20th century wooden dandy horse with the 21st century e-velocipede. Monowheel. The engineering and balance of a monowheel make it a remarkable one-wheeled marvel. This unconventional mode of transportation has the rider encased in or fastened to a single rotating wheel. Because of its centrifugal force and gyroscopic motion, it defies gravity. Its sci-fi aesthetic and futuristic design make it a fascinating car. No one with a weak heart or clumsy foot should attempt to ride a monowheel. The ability to drive, accelerate, and brake demands bravery, focus, and competence. When traveling at fast speeds or making abrupt curves, it is more likely to tip, loop, or crash. It is an imposing car that demands admiration and provides excitement in return. As a historical artifact and recreational vehicle, a monowheel is unusual to see. This car has been thought of, rethought, and then forgotten about countless times. This automobile has captivated audiences for years despite its lack of practicality. Quiggle folding bike. The Quiggle folding bike is unlike any other folding bike. As far as folding bikes go, this one is the most space efficient because of how little it can be stored. Urbanites, tourists, and explorers will like it as the perfect travel companion. You can trust the Quiggle folding bike to get you where you need to go quickly and with no effort. Because to its unique upright riding posture, you can easily feel the breeze in your hair and take in the scenery. Thanks to its simple and elegant folding mechanism, the bike can be transformed into a small form in just 10 seconds. The powertrain and frame are made of durable stainless steel, which doesn't become corroded or worn out easily. The Quiggle folding bike symbolizes a complete way of life. The flexibility it offers allows you to do and see everything you want, whenever you want. The bike shouldn't fit your life, nor the other way around. Arosno E-Trace. With two steerable polypropylene skis up front and a rubber track behind, the E-Trace is a 3-point electric snow bike. A 250-watt motor powers it, allowing for electric assistance at speeds up to 25 kilometers per hour. You may get up to 45 kilometers of autonomy with its replaceable battery pack. Additionally, it features an ergonomic seat, a front suspension, a continuously variable transmission, and a display device that shows distance, speed, and battery life. The E-Trace is an entertaining and risk-free toy. The skis may be turned with the vertical handlebars, and the track can be stopped with the brake. You have the option to modify the seat so it suits your comfort and size. With the included hitch rack, you can simply attach it to your vehicle for transport. In addition, the front and rear lights will make the journey more enjoyable by illuminating your path. Icon. A5, the Icon. A 5 goes beyond being a simple plane. Embark on an aerial trip that opens your eyes to a whole new universe. With the A5, you may experience the exhilaration of flying in any environment, be it over the mountains, on the lake, or even on a runway. The A5's spin-resistant wing, straightforward controls, and uncomplicated cockpit make it a joy to fly. It has a range of 427 nanometers and a 45-minute reserve, as well as a 100 horsepower Rotax 912 engine with a situational awareness display called a Garmin G3X Touch. A 5 customization is at your fingertips with a wide range of aesthetic and avionics options. The A5 can land and take off on land and water, making it an amphibious aircraft. It can cut through the waves with its sleek hull, and it can be easily stored and transported thanks to its folding wings and retractable landing gear. Zeva Zero. You can feel like a superhero when you fly the futuristic Zeva Zero in eVTOL. This vehicle, which resembles a circular wing, has enough room for a single person to stand up inside. It has a range of approximately 50 miles and can reach speeds of up to 160 miles per hour. It can take off and land vertically and is powered by electric motors. In addition to its exhilarating and silent flight, it can tilt forward and fly horizontally. Zeva Zero is an entertaining, dependable, and easy-to-use platform. A personal UFO, it can whisk you away to any destination of your choosing. Zeva Zero is the best aircraft for any aerial adventure, whether you're commuting through a densely populated area, visiting a distant island, or simply taking in the scenery. Zeva Zero is here and now, not some pipe fantasy. In 2022, it is anticipated to reach the skies. Racing boat Racebird. Racebird is a revolutionary racing boat that is powered by electric propulsion and can soar through the air above the water. The E1 series, which is the first electric powerboat racing championship in the world, is dominated by this particular vessel. The Racebird has a design that is both modern and futuristic, and it is reminiscent of a bird in flight. It lifts itself out of the water and reduces the amount of drag it experiences by utilizing cutting-edge hydrofoil technology. The vehicle is capable of reaching speeds of up to 111 kilometers per hour and pulling off exciting stunts. In addition to being quick and nimble, Racebird is also kind to the environment. Batteries that are charged by renewable energy sources are used to power all of its components. Racebird is a representation of the future of marine racing, which will be characterized by a combination of speed, performance, and environmental responsibility.